This is a Giulietti Petite bass accordion. If you notice, there are no buttons on the left hand. It's just for, it's just a very, very low octaved instrument that's usually used for playing in accordion orchestras or quartets, where this instrument plays the bass role. It's designed with a little finger hold here so that you can pull harder because the bass reeds are larger, so they need more force to speak. There are no register switches either, so it's just one reed per each note. And there are 34 piano keys here. So I'm going to demonstrate it a little bit.